What if I told you about the same credit score change that has the entire internet in a panic right now? It is the same exact thing that just unlocked $50,000 at credit unions for people sitting at 680. Not 750, not 800. I'm talking about 680. All right, but here's the problem. Most people watching this right now are gonna miss it. Not because they don't have the score, but because they're walking into these credit unions with 3 critical mistakes on their credit report. 3 pain points that are slamming that door shut before the underwriter even sees their name. It's already affecting your applications today, and most people absolutely have no idea that it's happening. Stay right there because I want to go in detail about this, because we're going to get into all 3 right now. Pain point number 3, and this one is a big one. FICO 10T. As of May 2026, banks and lenders, including credit unions, are beginning to adopt this new credit score model. All right. And I need you to understand why this changes everything. Because the old credit scoring system worked like a photograph. It looked at your balance right now. It looked at whether you paid on time, and it gave you a score. Simple, right? But FICO 10T is not a photograph. It's like a motion picture. It watches your behavior over time. Do you carry a balance month after month? Do you spike your utilization right before application, then pay it down at the last second? Do you max out, recover, max out, recover? Because FICO 10T sees all of that, and it tells lenders exactly what those patterns mean. So if you're planning to pay down a credit card this week before you apply to a credit union, I need you to hear this clearly. That strategy under FICO 10T, those days are absolutely gone at the big banks. But here's what nobody in the credit space is saying out loud right now. And this is the part that changes everything for our people. For the 680 score money magnets who've been consistent, this is not an issue for you, and I'm going to prove it to you. But first, pain point number 2, because this one is sneaking up on people right now. We're talking about buy now, pay later. We're talking about Klarna, Afterpay Affirm. As of this year, these platforms are now reporting your payment behavior directly to the credit bureaus. I'm talking about all of them. And here's the trap. People say, Marvin, I only missed one payment. It was small. It's basically nothing, about $75. But here's what the credit union sees when they pull their report on your $50,000 application. They're not looking at the dollar amount. They're looking at the pattern. They see somebody that's juggling. They see overextension, and they see risk. 5 or 6 buy now, pay later accounts all reporting at the same time. That picture tells the credit union exact opposite of what you needed to say, which means you could have 2 or 3 late payments appear in your credit report without ever knowing those accounts even were tracked. By the time you find out, guess what? The damage is done. The application is denied. The hard inquiry is already sitting there on your report. But, and this is the good news, there's a window right now where you can get ahead of this. And I'm going to walk you through the exact strategy. But first, I'm going to give you pain point number 1, because the misinformation around this one is at an all-time high. We're talking about medical debt. I need to stop you right there, because I know you've seen the headlines. Medical debt is being wiped out. Your score is going to skyrocket. And real people, smart people, are making financial decisions based on that headline. And here's what's exactly happening. Paid medical collections, all right, they're going to be mostly removed. Small balances, it might be limited reporting. You might have to dispute a little bit. But large unpaid medical debts over $500, look, they're still going to appear on your report. They can trigger a denial on a $50,000 credit union application. And look, if you've been sitting on a big medical bill thinking, you know what, I ain't got to worry about that no more. I read on the news it's going to disappear. We need to have a real conversation right now, because that medical collection, when a credit union underwriter sees it, it doesn't matter how clean everything else on your profile looks. That one item can get you denied. And here's what's happening in May of 2026 that nobody's talking about. All right. While the big banks, we're talking about Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, while they're rapidly adopting FICO 10T and tightening the lending criteria, the majority of credit unions, look, they're still on FICO 8 or FICO 9. And some of these institutions, the ones I've been researching, the videos we've made, are approving up to $50,000 for the right applicant right now. So you guys need to watch more of our videos. Look, let me give you one right now. First Tech Credit Union. They got personal loans up to $50,000. They offer soft pull pre-qualification, no hard inquiry, no damage to your profile, guys, no risk to do an application stack. But if you want to walk in that door for the full $50,000, you want a 680 credit score and above. This is where FICO 10T actually works in your favor. So what I'm saying is that some of these credit unions don't have it yet, and you can take advantage of it. First Tech's underwriting is going to reward that kind of behavior. A 680 credit score is like gold to that credit union. And let me bring it all the way home, because this one is the part I want you to carry with you. Remember the 3 pain points I broke down today. We're talking about FICO 10T, buy now, pay later reporting, and medical debt. We're talking about the myths of medical debt. I want you to realize that this is all real, and they're all causing real damage to real credit profiles right now in May of 2022. For people to have been cutting corners, gaming the scoring system, or making financial decisions based on internet headlines, I'm going to keep it real with y'all. It's going to be a hard lesson for a lot of people. But for our people, the money magnets who've been consistent, who've been paying on time, keeping their utilization low, building that 24-month payment history the way we've been teaching for years. And I don't want you guys to forget this. Relationship. Look, FICO 10 is not going to be a threat to you guys. It's going to be a reward. And look, guys, as long as you do what we're going to teach you, you're going to get approved. And credit unions, specifically First Tech, PenFed, and Alliant, they're recognizing that behavior pattern right now. So before the lending market actually catches up, and guys, don't slip on this, because you'll be saying next year, Marvin told us and I didn't do it. This window doesn't stay open forever. The moment the big banks and the credit unions fully sync on FICO 10T, the gap closes. And remember this, make sure that you call a credit union and ask them, because this will be changing in the coming months. But right now, in May 2026, the 680 scores who've been consistent on 24 months are going to be more valuable to a credit union than a 720 who's been gaming the old system. The credit union can see the difference now. And that is why I made this video, because your moment is right now. And I needed to make sure you guys knew it. So do me a favor, drop ready in the comments, guys. Hit that subscribe button, because a lot of you guys are not subscribed. And remember, we drop new content every Thursday and Sunday. And for you guys that have 700 scores and above, and you're a business owner, I want to invite you guys to a one-on-one call on Zoom. And that call is not a pitch, okay? It's not a webinar. We sit down with you. We look at your actual credit profile, your actual numbers, and we help you build a real funding roadmap. Now, remember, if you guys are not 700, look, don't even book that call. We got something special for you guys who are under 700 in the description that can help you delete those old negative items and get your scores above 700. But I want you guys to check this out. I found another credit union, and I want you to hear this clearly. This credit union gives anyone, I mean anyone watching this video right now, up to $85,000 in credit cards. They got a $50,000 loan for a membership that costs 1 cent, guys. Before you guys forget, click this video right here. I'll see you over there. And remember, let's get to the money.
And we're here to help empower your finances.